Understanding Badminton Rules. Easy English Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of badminton. Badminton is not only a fun sport but also a great way to understand English in a new context. So, whether you're a badminton enthusiast or a language learner, this video is for you. Let's dive into the basic rules of badminton and learn some English along the way. Badminton is a racket sport played using rackets to hit a shuttlecock across a net. It can be played in singles, 1 player per side, or doubles, 2 players per side. The aim is to score points by hitting the shuttlecock over the net so that the opponent cannot return it. It's a fast-paced and strategic game, popular worldwide. Court and equipment. The court is rectangular and divided into halves by a net. Players use rackets to hit the shuttlecock, a feathered or plastic projectile. Scoring system. A match consists of the best of 3 games of 21 points. Every time there is a serve, there is a point scored. The side winning a rally adds a point to its score. Serving rules. The serve must be hit underhand and below the waist. In singles, the serve must go diagonally cross-court to the opponent's service court. In doubles, the server's position and service court change based on the scoring. Faults and lets. A fault is called for various infringements, like hitting the shuttlecock into the net. A let is called for certain disturbances, like if the shuttlecock gets stuck in the net. Singles versus doubles. Singles focuses on player endurance and precision. Doubles is faster with an emphasis on teamwork and strategy. Common strategies. Clears. Hitting the shuttle high into the back of the court. Drops. Subtle shots that just clear the net and drop sharply. Smashes. Powerful downward shots, hard to return. Always show respect to opponents and officials. Shake hands before and after the match. Don't make distracting noises or gestures during play. That's a basic overview of badminton rules. We hope this has been an enjoyable and informative journey for you. Remember, badminton is not just about the rules. It's about fun, fitness, and friendship. Keep practicing your English and maybe try out a game of badminton too. See you in the next video.